Yo, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Xbox Game Pass completely for free. I'm here using the Xbox Cloud Gaming, and with the Game Pass, I'm going to show you guys what you can do with this. So if you don't even have an Xbox, you can actually still play on Xbox games with the Game Pass as long as you have kind of a new TV. Also, this will work on PC as well. So if you want to get the Game Pass, you can download all these games completely for free on the Game Pass. But the beauty of the premium edition of Xbox Game Pass is you can go ahead and play games on this cloud gaming thing. So as you guys can see, you just press get ready to play, and we can go ahead and play Grand Theft Auto 5 just like this. And this is all completely for free. You can also, literally play all these games, Fortnite, Forza Horizon. Like say you want to play this, you just press get ready to play, and then that goes ahead and loads in for you guys. So what we're going to do is show you guys how to get the Xbox Game Pass completely for free. I'm going to get you guys a free code, and we're going to run you through and show you guys how to do this. So first of all, what we're going to do, I'm going to turn on my screen recording. I will be doing this on an iPhone. As you guys can see right here, we just got it right there. So just follow along, guys. It won't take you too long at all. So what we're going to do is go to this website. It's www.foxycoupons.com. So type FOXY and then coupons, COUPONS, foxycoupons.com. Once you guys are there, that's going to go ahead and load the Bomb Coupons website. You're just going to find free Xbox Game Pass right there. Press on Get Code. It's going to take you here. It's going to look like this. What's included? Access to hundreds of games, including new releases, online multiplayer, and obviously all the free games on the Xbox Game Pass. So you go ahead and press on Show Coupon Code, okay, on Bomb Coupons. Now you can redeem these codes on the Microsoft website, on your Xbox console, or on the Xbox Cloud Gaming as well, whichever one works. So as you guys can see, it says your coupon code is ready. So this is for our, I think 1 to 3 month code on Xbox Game Pass. It really depends on, it's randomized which one you get. So you might have to do this every month for it, but it's of course for free. So as you guys can see, the code there is there, but it is locked. And what we're gonna do is unlock it. I'm gonna show you what to do. So go ahead and press on Get Full Code, okay? And what that's gonna do is go ahead and take you to a page like this. And it's gonna say, 2 of these need to be completed. These apps sponsor Bomb Coupons, and we could not provide our amazing coupons without them. So essentially is what is required is you need to go ahead and complete at least 2 of these. These apps here have actually sponsored these Xbox Game Pass codes. And what they're doing is basically they've paid for the codes, and then you need to complete something in their app, which is completely for free. It'll never cost you anything in order to do this. So for example, this Fliff one right here, it says go ahead and get Fliff and then open up, and then that counts as one. Now, all these apps are completely for free, and this does work on both iOS and Android. So all you need to do is you need to make sure that you are completing 2 of these, as these are completely for free. As you guys can see, it says Fliff apps. What you do is you press download, okay? And you go ahead and get the app, and then that's going to go ahead and load. And remember, you just got to read the instructions. So this one here said, and then open it up. So then you do that one. Now we've also got this Travel Town one here. It says go ahead and complete level 9 in Travel Town. So what you do is you press unlock, and then you go ahead and get to level 9 in Travel Town. Now these are obviously completely for free. Just press on the play button, okay? Tap on that. It's going to open up the App Store or Google Play Store. Okay, you press open. Awesome. There it is there. I'll just go ahead and show you. Now, I did this one before. I did get to level 12. It didn't take too long at all. Like I said, I tested all these. They're not paywalled. You just need to play the game for like 20 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes, and you get basically the whole thing ready to go. So this one, you just like tap these things, you drag them together, boom, boom, drag that, drag that, drag that, drag that, drag these together. And yeah, you basically unlock stuff. It's easy. And yeah, that should be it. Join those or something, and cool. So yeah, as you guys can see, now that you've gone ahead and completed both of those, we're gonna go back to this little page here. Once you've completed both of those, all we need to do now is simply press on the back button, and now the game code is unlocked, and we can go ahead and redeem this on the Xbox to go ahead and play our free Xbox Game Pass. So it is that easy, guys. Bomb Coupons, about 500 of these codes left. They might be adding more, they might not be, I'm not sure. Go ahead, check it out, do this while you can. Get free Xbox Game Pass, and like I said, this works on PC, Xbox, and your TVs now with Xbox Cloud Gaming. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.